drilling, plus reaming, plus countersink, plus tapping. The all-in-one world's most popular magnetic core drilling machine from BDS Maschinen. MAB 845 magnetic drilling plus tapping machine from the Profi Plus category. Full performance, flexible and robust. The strong but adjustable swivel base enables the machine to rotate 30 degrees left to right and 20 millimeters backwards and forwards. Up to incredible 100 millimeter core drilling capacity. Up to 110 millimeter cutting depth with annular cutters, delivering fast holes without any pre-drilling or step drilling. Delivering perfectly finished holes, up to 31.75 millimeter diameter drilling with twist drill bits, up to 31.75 millimeter diameter reaming, up to 50 millimeter diameter countersink, and the premium feature, tapping up to M30. Quick and easy tapping with reversible motor. Simply better drilling. Equipped with 1,800 watt heavy duty motor, high performance 4-speed gears, permanent internal lubrication, magnet indicator for safety, safely arranged switches, reversible motor, robust dovetail slide system, precise speed and torque controls, protective cap for motor, sleek integrated cooling tank, carbon brushwear control indicator, weighing just 25 kilograms, heavy-duty Morse Tapper 3 machine. Full wave control electronics for steady watt even during drilling. Unique friction clutch which prevents cutter breakage. Advanced motor overheat protection for safety. MAB 845 magnetic core drilling plus tapping machine. Made in Germany by BDS Maschinen.